Alright guys, this is the microwave. As you can see, it's on. This is my work pan and it's connected to this power strip. This power strip comes to the inverter. I bought this inverter in Amazon. I think I pay around $78. It's 2000 watts, as you can see, but you don't need that much. I mean, my microwave is 700 amp, so all you need is something above 700 watt. It could be 1200, it could be 1000 watts, and you guys will be good. So this inverter comes with two terminals. So let me see if I can show you. Red terminal is going straight to the battery. The black terminal is for ground. I have it in this screw. This is for ground. You don't need to run a wire all the way to the battery for the ground. If you want, you can do it. It comes actually with the fuse built in. You can have an extra fuse if you want, but I have it just like that. And then you have these buttons to turn it on and off, right? So this is the power strip that goes to the back of my van, and then I'll show you the front. This is my battery, and this is the wire coming from the inverter, right? And basically that's the connection you need to do. So if I push the start button, you're gonna see microwave is working right there. This is a small microwave. You don't want something big, then it's gonna consume a lot of power, but it worked pretty good. I warm my lunch every day here, and I'm saving a lot of money just because of this. And make sure you have your car turned on whenever you're using the microwave, because you don't want to kill the battery. So if the truck is on, if your car is on, then you won't be using the power coming straight from the battery. It's like the truck is going to be feeding the battery, your car is going to be feeding the battery at the same time, and you guys will be good.